you have seen two videos of the latest TLV release, RedSuns Mazda RX7. I have to emphasize on the word RedSuns is because it's not an initial D licensed casting. If you haven't watched the videos, the links are down below. And today I'd like to do a comparison review with the Kyosho Tofu 86, which was released in 2015 for Initial D Legend 2 movies. This Kyosho Sprinter Torino is by far my most favorite Initial D casting in my collection. And so far TLV does not have an AE86 casting which is so close to Kyosho. Kyosho is a love-hate relationship for me. Majority of the cars do not roll, but when it comes to cars that rolls, they are just simply perfect. TLV RedSuns Mazda RX7 with side mirror applied, in fact, looks on par and looks very well together with the Kyosho AE86. In terms of the rear, Kyosho scored more points than the RX7. Holding this AE86 just remind me of my teenage year of holding a similar Initial D comic. So I'm waiting for the TLV to come up with a similar theme casting such as the Mazda RX7 for me to apply some twist to it. On the base, the Kyosho is screw type, while the TLV is not, which is going to be kept in a box. On the side, they look very compatible, just like Katsuki and Takumi driving side by side as a teammate or as an opponent. I do like the TLV RX7 as well, but the only hurdle is you have to apply the side mirror yourself and the rear it looks out to the Kyosho casting. Overall, this 2:1:64 casting stands out in my collection. I like the details, and for the fact that this Kyosho does rolls as well, which mirror the Initial D castings to the manga and the anime. I hope TLV will make a licensed Initial D model in the very near future. Thanks everyone, bye!